us, I realized that we'll be going to Manila not for a wedding, but for a week. And knowing that I wouldn't be able I wouldn't be able to talk to her one more time. She is one of the most greatest aunts, daughters, wife, mother, soldier I know. I couldn't stop crying, realizing that Jaffa and Daddy and Lara and my mother and her sisters and Mama and Papa Lo wouldn't have a great sister anymore, or mother, or wife.
Baby sister's crying.
If you're crying, you're not alone, as you can see. Just remember, she's always watching you. And if you're having a hard time, remember she's here to help you. When I first arrived here, the first thing I said to her was, "Mommy, you're so pretty." I wish I came here sooner to say bye to you one more time. I feel so bad for Jaffa for kissing her all the time. Before I finish, I want you, Mommy, to know that I will finish college for you. And we love you, Mommy. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, thank you for everyone. I want to thank everyone's presence here. And to see how we got close as cousins. It's the work of mommy. And you can see how much she touched our lives, she inspired us. Our bond as a family comes from her. No one else comes from her. Stop laughing. So I want to thank everyone for being here. Thank you, Daddy, the most. So this is from the nephews and also mommy. Thank you all.
Thank you very much to the nephews of the late Lieutenant Colonel Agutante. And before we proceed with our next speakers, we'll have the Philippine Army Band for their rendition of the song Lagi Kitang Naaalala. Thank you very much to the Philippine Army Band. We'll proceed with our next speaker. May we call on the uncle of the late Lieutenant Colonel Agutante. May we call on Mr. Paul Juarez.
Good evening everyone. Ako tingin mo na yung Bisaya ko kasi I am from Bohol. So it means emotional din ako, gawin ko ng patawa. Taglis or tagbis. I-understand mo na yung Tagalog. Alam mo naman yung Bulanod. Actually, kami sa walo kami magkapatid. Then, sa pamilya namin, 3 kami military. 2 army, saka isang PC during the time. Swerte kayo dahil na-member kayo ng millennial, medyo high grade ang salary nyo. Ako, nag-constabule ako, when I remember, ang subsistence namin during the time is 10 piso. One day yun na abutan yan. Ano ko lang yun, yung sa akin naranasan sa inyo. Swerte kayo dahil abutan ninyo si Digong. Kaya hindi ko, pag magsalita siya, baka lang, naisip, pero punto. Ganun. So in short, ano na, kasi gabi na. Itong mga pamangkin ko, itong anak ng kapatid ko, nag-expect ko nga may susunod sa apak namin. They ban soldiers. Kasi lahat kami puro sundalo. Then ako, Papa Charlie. Then pag ano ng Pilipino, 1990, pinili ko rin nga pumasok ng pulis. Pero alam mo naman yung pulis, kung ano, mas pinili ko pa maging, sa isip ko nag-retire, ang ano ko pa rin, military na hindi. So naisip ko, sana yung mga pamangkin ko, magsunod sa apak na rin. I'm expecting sa anak ng kapatid ko na laki na maging sundalo. So nakita ko, baliktad. Babae pa na naging sundalo. Dalawa. Yung anak ko gusto ko sabi, pasok ka sundalo. Sabi ko, mahirap. Kasi maliit ay sundo. Iniisip ko siya, biro mo, 10 piso, subsistence. Kumbat pay namin. Then naano ko si Janice, nang pumasok sa sundalo, nalaman ko rin na isa pala siya kanyonero. Di ako at that time, when I was constable, mortal gunner din ako. Naano ko, nag-follow din sa akin. Kailan babae? Yung mga lalaki, wala. Takot yata mahawak ng baril. Kasi sa amin yung Tagalog ganon, yun na. Tapos, sa kapatid ko nga na magulang na si Joseph, patay na. Dalawang sundalo, puro babae. Baliktad So in short, kami, nag-retire na ako. Kaya retired Colonel Rosso. Rose from the rank. Imagine na, ano mo ninyo na from private to master sergeant. Direct to master sergeant. Then, after that, commission, 1987. Then, nag-expect sana nga, tataas pa, si matanda ni Manoy, si Susin. Then, nag-retire ako as lieutenant colonel. The same with that, pareha kami, retire pero isa dahil nasa langit. O, gano'n, kasi ganyan ang buhay natin. Wala na tayong permanente as God's will. So, ano rin, pasalamat tayo dahil nag-follow sa amin as soldier, kaya ng babae, ng lalaki, ayaw nila. Kanya-kanya ano ng tao. So, nagsalamat na ako sa mga aspect ni Janice, na dito kayo. Dapat sa kasasban ni Dario na sana ikutin niyo yung prosper na as a fellow officer. Ano yun? Gusto rin niyo magtanggap ng star. Sana hanggang star lang yung parating ito. Huwag maglampas ang tainga. Ganun na yun Once you reach, if you are, di ba, darating ka sa ano, kasi yung rango kasi natin, hanggang shoulder lang. Pag lampas ka sa shoulder, pagit ko nun. Sa akin lang. Ganun ka, being an officer. So, hindi ko na lang pahabain yung space ko dahil marami pa natin ba magsalita. Ako, salamat ako, kaya kami din. Retire, Lieutenant Colonel siya, Lieutenant Colonel din. Kaya lang, lang. Kahit swerte kayo, na buhay pa, kung darating ko tayo dyan, ano, medyo nangisusunod din ako. So, gano'n na lang. Ang buhay natin, hindi permanente. Diba? So, thank you sa my fellow officers, my relatives na nagaling pa ng buhol. Yung pamangkin ko rin, nagaling state, alam mo naman. Dahil iba talaga pag, sa atin, no, na-realize ko, ang pamilya talaga, mag-reunion pag may patay. Talaga totoo yan. Tulad. Minsan, talaga, pag may patay, yung bunyag, hihira na yan. Pag may patay na talaga. So sana, ganun, habang buhay pa tayo, enjoy your life, be humble. Ganun lang. And thank you.
Thank you very much to Colonel Paul, sir. Next, we'll have the sister-in-law. May we call on Ma'am Alani Mortejo.
Good evening. Mayong gabi. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ako po si Alani Arbotante Mortejo, sister-in-law of Janice and elder sister of Dario.